Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. The traditional company has a hierarchical structure of leaders, employees, and investors. Blockchain enables a new structure called the Distributed Autonomous Organization, or DAO. The DAO replaces the hierarchy of the traditional company with a network of contributors. The DAO consists of contributors as follows. Instead of employees, the DAO has workers who earn tokens by advancing the goals of the community through their labor. Instead of compensating service providers such as lawyers and accountants with cash, the network compensates providers with tokens. For partners and customers, the DAO compensates them as participants who further the goals of the community through their buying and distributing the DAO's products and services. Instead of investors, the DAO has stakers who contribute the capital necessary to run the DAO's business. The traditional hierarchy is replaced with a network in which each node is incentivized through loans to foster the overall community. The functions of the business are executed through smart contracts. The DAO expands the concept of the company from the employer, employee, partner, investor model to a larger, more encompassing network in which everyone receives tokens for their contributions. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.